Hey, it's time to do some wrenching.
Okay, what we have here is the Harbor Freight fuel injector pump tester. You can test your fuel pump with this. Just picked it up, and I'm gonna check my fuel pump, see how well it's doing in my truck. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Nice plastic on it. Soft. Okay, got a nice carrying case here. This is good to have. Won't lose anything this way. These instructions. I'll read those later. Yeah, let's see here what we got. Gauge. Looks nice. These attachments. See, mine's probably gonna need right here. I think this is the one that mine's gonna need, because I have a valve on my fuel rail, and this probably goes to the gauge, I would imagine. Let's see. Yeah. And this would just go to that fuel rail on my truck. Yours might be different. They got other attachments here for just different vehicles. Actually, it might be even this one here. I won't know until I get out there and see if it fits, but I'm sure one of these will fit. Yeah, pretty cool. I like this case because, you know, then after, when you're all done with it, put it away, you won't lose parts, and it'll stay pretty new looking too. So yeah, I got a good deal on this. It was, with a coupon, it was like 21 and change, plus a free flashlight. So mine's supposed to be between 30 and 45, so we'll see if that comes out to be true. And I mean, my truck's running okay. I just figured I'd get this just to see, you know, if it's still running and within specs, how high it is. Maybe it's getting kind of weak, it's getting old. But it's a nice tool to have, you know, in case it ever does go, it's not running for some reason. This is just one more thing I can use to check, you know. So here, let's go out in the garage and check this out. Okay, in my truck, the valve is down here. See the blue cap on it? It's where the hose got to hook up to the gauge. And also yeah, right here. So now, plus I noticed what I'm gonna have to do is to hook that up. I've gotta make it like this. Hook these two together, and I'm gonna try to hang this down so you guys can see this gauge and stuff. So let me do all that, and then I'll be back in a second. Okay, there I have it hooked up right here, and it goes along here. Got the hose going that way, and it's going up to right there. Okay, this is with the key off. Let's see with the key on. Okay, she's holding at about 37. Let's try it with the engine running. Yeah, that's with the engine running.
got about 30. Let's try revving it up and see how it works. It stays about 30. Okay, we try it with the fuel pressure regulator off. It jumped up to 40. Back on. She's holding the pressure. About 38. It's actually climbing a little bit. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. I'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. And it's actually went up a little bit. It's almost at 40. So that means everything's working good. The injectors are holding. Fuel pump. There's no leaks anywhere. So that's a good thing. Alright, let's go in the house and I'll wrap it up.
Okay, so what I learned from all this, well, everything's all in spec and everything looks okay in my truck. I'm going to show you guys how I put this together. I need to put two pieces together in order for it to work. Your application might be different, your vehicle, so, but just in case, if you have mine's a 97 Ford Explorer. This might work on a lot of Fords. What they do is they have a valve inside here I had to take out. It's one of these kind of little valves. It's the same kind you have on your tires. And put it back in, put it the way it was. Just tighten that down. Okay, you need one of these little tools, the valve stem tools. I don't know exactly the right name for it, but that's what I call a valve stem tool. Anyway, so this is the one hose, and this one went right there, and this one I put Teflon tape, and I put them on hand tight. Got it all hand tight. The only thing I had to do was with this one goes into my fuel rail on the truck. I had to put it, by hand, and then I just had to tighten it with a pair of pliers a little bit, just to make sure it wouldn't leak. But see, like this one's a little bit smaller than, say, like this one. This one wouldn't fit. You might have the right big one like this, and you just might need this one hose. Anyway, so this thing I put some Teflon tape so it wouldn't leak, and it's pretty well. The gas did a number on it. There might be some stuff that's rated with the gasoline. This is just regular plumber's tape. You might want to use something will hold up the gas. But overall, I'm happy with this. This worked out great. Works great. If ever I do, my fuel pump ever does go or something, or fuel injectors, I can at least test it with this. So it's a nice tool for cheap money. Hey, it's worth it. I give it an A. So great tool. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.